Once upon a time, in a remote village, there lived a mother and her son named Mbok Rondo and Jaka Tarub. They lived a simple life and loved each other dearly. However, their happiness faded when Mbok Rondo began to fall ill frequently.
Suatu ketika, di sebuah desa terpencil, hiduplah seorang ibu bernama Mbok Rondo dan putranya Jaka Tarub. Mereka menjalani kehidupan yang sederhana dan saling mencintai dengan tulus. Namun, kebahagiaan mereka memudar ketika Mbok Rondo mulai sering jatuh sakit.
Son, you're already grow up. It's time for you to find a wife, my child, someone to take care of you in the future. You know that I'm getting old and often sick. I feel like my time is near.
Mother, don't say such thing. I'm not ready to marry yet. Please focus on your service.
No, son, I also want to see you happy with your wife and children.
Let's not discuss this. Mother, if get married, who will take care of you?
You'll understand in time, my son.
Alright, mother. There's no more firewood in the kitchen, and I'm sure you have eaten yet. I go to the forest to gather some.
Very well. Be careful and make sure to return before sunset.
Jaka then went to the forest to gather firewood. After collecting enough, he planned to return quickly, worried about leaving his mother alone at home.
Jaka kemudian pergi ke hutan untuk mengumpulkan kayu bakar. Setelah mengumpulkan cukup banyak, ia berencana untuk segera kembali, khawatir meninggalkan ibunya sendirian di rumah.
Where is Jaka? By hands, he come back.
I don't know, I saw him hiding.
Tarno go kill Jaka.
Jaka. What is it, Tarno?
Your mother Jaka. He has passed away.
Big strong Jaka.
Days passed, but Jaka's sorrow did not fade. He often daydreamed and felt deep sadness.
Hari-hari berlalu, tetapi kesedihan Jaka tidak kunjung reda. Ia sering melamun dan merasakan kesedihan yang dalam.
Hey Jaka. Jaka, stop daydreaming. You might get possessed by a spirit.
Enough, Jaka. Being sad for too long is good for you.
I just keep thinking about my mother, friend.
Let it go, Jaka.
How about we go hunting instead?
Good idea, let's go.
Alright.
Meanwhile, beautiful maidens descended from the heavens.
Sementara itu, 7 gadis cantik turun dari surga.
Look, sisters, isn't this view beautiful?
Wow, yes, stunning.
Absolutely.
What if we take a bath here?
Let's do it before any humans come.
Look at how clear the water is.
I can even see the riverbed.
Yes, it's true, but I feel like staying here longer.
How could we stay longer? Don't forget our father is waiting for us. That's right, we promised to return before sunset.
It sounds like woman's voice is nervy.
Who are you serious, Jaka?
Joking. Listen carefully. Enough, Jaka. Let's just go home. What? You can go home. I'll go on my own.
Jaka was mesmerized when he saw 7 beautiful maidens playing in the river. At that moment, he remembered his mother's wish for him to marry. He decided to take one of the shawls.
Jaka terpesona ketika melihat 7 gadis cantik bermain di sungai. Saat itu juga ia teringat akan harapan ibunya agar ia menikah dan memutuskan untuk mengambil salah satu selendang mereka.
It's getting late. How about we return to the heavens? My shawl, it's missing.
Perhaps you misplaced it, sister.
No, I remember patching it her with yours.
Sorry, Wulan. If we called, we would stay to help you find it.
But you know our father expects us to return before next fall.
We're truly sorry, Wulan. We must leave you here.
Please take care of yourself, Wulan.
Once you find your shawl, come back to the heavens.
Return soon. Wulan will be waiting for you.
Please, don't leave me, sister.
The 6 maidens reluctantly left Nawang Wulan behind with heavy hearts.
Itu dengan berat hati meninggalkan Nawang Wulan sendirian.
Who are you? What are you doing here?
Relax. I'm not a bad person.
Alright, I believe you're not a bad person.
What's your name?
My name is Nawang Wulan.
I'm Jakataru. How did you end up here?
I came down from the heavens, but when my sisters and I were bathing her, my soul disappeared. I don't know what to do.
If you need a place to stay, my house is nearby.
Alright, if you're sure it's okay for me to stay there.
Let's go.
They walk together to Jaka's house.
Mereka berjalan bersama menuju rumah Jaka.
Meanwhile, in the heavens,
Sementara itu di surga,
Father, we're so sorry about Nawangwulan. She lost her shawl, and we couldn't stay to help her find it.
What did you see?
I'm sorry I couldn't return with her.
I said, leave me.
after living together for a while, Nawangwulan felt comfortable living with Jakatarup. So the two chose to marry. After a year of marriage, they were blessed with a daughter named Nawangsi.
Setelah hidup bersama selama beberapa waktu, Nawangwulan merasa nyaman tinggal bersama Jakatarup. Akhirnya, kedua memilih untuk menikah. Setahun kemudian, mereka dikaruniai seorang putri yang diberi nama Nawaningsi.
When cooking rice, Nawangwulan only used 3 grains of rice. It wasn't without reason. Nawangwulan had the power to turn just a few grains of rice into a full basket.
Saat memasak nasi, Nawangwulan hanya menggunakan 3 butir beras. Itu bukan tanpa alasan. Nawangwulan memiliki kekuatan untuk mengubah beberapa butir beras menjadi 1 bakul penuh.
Jaka, please watch over the rice for a moment. I have something to do, but promise me, okay? Don't open the lid until I return.
Why are there only 3 grains of rice here? Is she really cooking rice?
Why hasn't the rice transformed?
She opened Jakatarup's rice storage. Nawangwulan found a shawl wrapped in banana leaves. To her shock, it was her shawl that had been missing for years.
Jaka! You're liar! So you're the one who stole my shawl and pretended to help me?
Explain, Wulan. I stole it because I wanted to live with you.
I'm a class team bay. No matter what, I must return to the heavens.
Me, Wulan. What about Nawangsi?
Take care of Nawangsi. I can't stay here any longer. You've had enough of your lies.
With the shawl she had just found, Nawangwulan returned to the heavens. She left behind her child and husband, while Jakatarup once again felt the pain of loss.
Dengan selendang yang baru saja ditemukan, Nawangwulan kembali ke kayangan. Dia meninggalkan anak dan suaminya, sementara Jakatarup kembali merasakan kepedihan kehilangan.
What happened to her?
Nawangwulan.
Sister, what happened to her?
Rajaya and Gurminda, the attack or plague.
Where is father?
Tehei catch him to the yard.
What can we do?
Your life and call someone if the earth will help you.
But
No, Nawangwulan.
hand, Nawang Wulan came back to the earth to look for some help, and the king arrived in the earth. He didn't know the way. Fortunately, he found Jakatarup.
Nawang Wulan pun kembali ke bumi untuk mencari bantuan. Sementara itu, sang raja tiba di bumi. Ia tidak tahu jalan. Beruntung, ia bertemu Jakatarup.
Hey human,
Yes, sir.
where is it now?
Of course. It is here. Where do you live? Maybe you can come in my home.
Yes, then they came in.
Where are you? And where do you come from?
You never knew who am I.
No.
Well, I am a king in the sky in court, but knew my place is under free and they just never get out.
Nawang Wulan's father?
What do you know?
I'm sorry, my king. I stole Nawang Wulan's wealth and hide it. That is why she can go.
Where is Nawang Wulan?
She come back to here, palace, and she just leave me and our baby.
Who is she? She is very beautiful.
She is Nawangsi.
And suddenly, Nawang Wulan appeared.
Jakatarup, where are you? I need your help.
My dictator.
Father?
What are you doing here?
Nawang Asri asked me to look for some help, and her I wanna call Jaka.
Me?
Yes, Jaka, I am really sorry.
But Nawangsi.
This is for her, please help us.
And they fly to the palace.
Mereka terbang menuju istana.
Hahaha, I'm very happy.
Where is Nawang Wulan?
Her, I am.
Perfect.
What do you want from us?
All of here, the place, the king and the ants.
You can. Jaka, let's move.
Finally, Guru Minda and Indrajaya died in that war.
Akhirnya, Guru Minda dan Indrajaya tewas dalam perang itu.
After that war, Nawang Wulan's father gave permission to Nawang Wulan and Jakatarup relationship and they lived happily in earth.
Setelah perang, ayah Nawang Wulan memberi izin atas hubungan Nawang Wulan dan Jakatarup, dan mereka hidup bahagia di bumi.